Okay, Libra. So if you are Libra, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What do we need to know for Libra right now? The Knight of Wands, the Emperor, the Ace of Wands. And we'll take the bottom and the top. We have the Hanged Man, and we have the Princess of Swords. So what is going on with you guys, Libra, today? Okay, so we have the Knight of Wands. I feel with this that things are feeling pretty good right now. You guys could be feeling good in relationships with people. You guys could be thinking of bringing in even more beautiful things that you want into your lives. You guys could be feeling passionate about this right now. The Emperor. So then I feel, okay, so with this I get, there's also still a challenge here. So there could be more that you want to bring in. So you could be feeling good about some things right now. Really good and confident. I feel like there's confidence here. But you could still be wanting more of something. Especially relationships. You could be thinking of building closer relationships with friends. Or somebody that you love. Or having more intimacy with the relationship. With somebody that you care about. And this, look at the colors. These are colors of creation right here. These are colors of creation, stability, and power. And then you have the Ace of Wands. This is all fire energy. This is the fire, the element of fire. The wands of the element of fire. And you have the Emperor, which is also powerful and fire. So you guys could be planning on more. There's passion here for something. This is the goal. So I feel like you guys have accomplished a lot. Big changes in the recent past. We have the Aeon. So you guys have made a big change in the recent past. This is the Judgment card in this deck. And so I feel like there's something new in your lives that you guys really recently did. The Ace of Swords. You could be wanting to bring in, still making changes, still tweaking this new life, this new thing. So there could be something here with the Ace of Swords that you could be tweaking this new thing, this new whatever it is, new relationship, new job, new life, new home, new something, new friendship, new hobby, new goals. And here's the Tower card. You're working for something to change. There's something here that you guys want different. So even though there's something beautiful here and solid, I feel, and strong, you're still very passionate about making a change here with the Tower card. The Tower card is about quick change. It's change, like what's not working out for you and cutting that out, or it gets cut out for you, whether it's you that is doing it or something that you can't control. And it's usually something that needs to change for things to be better, to allow something else better to come in. The Eight of Cups. You have the Change card here in the near future, and then you have the Eight of Cups, which is walking away from something. So you guys could be thinking about, what are you going to walk away from? There's something that could not be working out, or you guys are not feeling this. You guys want to change here. There's a passion for something else to be better, new, something. So there's something you guys could be walking away from here with the Eight of Cups. This is what's going on with you guys right now. So new idea and Eight of Cups. I feel like with this and this, it has something to do with your power. It's like you want to be in control of something. There's something you guys want to have more control over. And this is what I'm getting with this. Of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. Then we have the Two of Discs. And the Two of Discs can mean balancing more than one thing at one time. It's the card of change also. So you have change here and something that you may be thinking of, you know, what's not working out, walking away from, leaving something behind, maybe putting some safe boundaries around you guys. Maybe putting some distance between you and a person, a situation, something that's not serving you guys right now. It can even be a hobby or an activity. It can even be something that maybe you were getting involved in that is not, this isn't the right time, or it's not right for you guys. So it can be, depending on your situation, something that's not working out for your highest good right now. So maybe you thought it was good before and you're starting to see that it's not. This is the card of change and balance. This is the card of also trying to take care of this thing and this thing at the same time. So maybe for some of you guys that might be too much. So maybe you're thinking about changing a situation that might be too much for you guys right now. Maybe it's also something that made you feel like you had power at first, but now you're starting to feel like you don't. It's taking away your power from the situation. Then we have the Two of Cups, the love card. I feel like with this is really on your mind, is having better connections with people, doing more things where you feel more connected to people, friends, relationships, more love, intimacy, in whatever way this means the most to you. And it may also mean for some of you guys, if this is about your spiritual journey, love with yourself as well. And then we have the Art card. And this is a balance card, and so is this one. These are both balance. So this is in your future card. So I feel like you guys are going to be really drawn to bringing in more beautiful things, more things that make you happy, something that fills your cup and not something that takes away from it with this card. I feel like you guys are going to be really focused on, passionate about making a change here, to bring some, whatever it is, to cool things down for you guys, make things less stressful, give back your power if something is draining you. The Hanged Man and the Princess of Swords. So what I'm getting with these cards is that the Hanged Man, I feel like there was something here that maybe you were drawn to, that you thought would have been a good thing for you guys, and now you're realizing that you have to let this go. It's like you have to surrender to the realization that maybe before you didn't want to let this thing go, and now you may have to let it go because you've had enough of something that maybe you're realizing it's not working out for you. It's not working out for your highest good. It's not giving you energy the way that you needed. So I feel like you guys are making this a decision here, changes, because you want to stay in this. You want to stay in this energy, in this power, in this creative, beautiful power, and you want to. I feel like you guys want to enjoy life. Like you guys are thinking about your life in the past years and thinking you've gotten so far. You made some big change here, with this card, and now there's something else that is one part of it that needs adjustment or something. So you're going to be thinking about making this is going to be like a decision that may hurt some people or something. So for some of you guys, of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. It can be something that's not easy for you guys to do, and it may be something for the other party involved, whether it's a situation, person, that is not going to be easy if you walk away from this, or if you put some space in between this. But I feel like for you guys, you're feeling like you need this balance or a change with this, because you're feeling like it could be taking away from you instead of giving what you guys are looking for, which is this feeling of love, this feeling of happiness, this feeling of something that you're putting energy into, flowing, that beautiful energy flowing back to you guys, and it could be even for yourselves. So I wish you guys well, Libra. Look at all this beautiful creative energy. Look at all these colors. But there's some balance here. So, and then you need there's something here that's going to be like healing. So I wish you guys well, Libra. Take care.